Hey guys, welcome back to the truck. I'm Jeremy from Hazel Tools, and today we're gonna check out the June marketing kit with the flyers. So we'll see what's all in the box, open it up in front of you, you'll see it when I see it, and then we'll go through the flyer as well. We'll put up the digital format of the flyer on Facebook and the Instagram and go from there. So let's jump into it. So the first thing that caught my eye is there's a little lanyard in here, and it has these colored floor jacks on it. Go for atomic green, opt for orange. With a cool snap-on lanyard. Something to wear around, show off. So that's the aluminum floor jack, now available. So it was in red, you can get orange and green as well. Next up we have the receipt backers. There are 5 packages of them. Nice little flyer setup for the heavy duty diagnostics, the ProLink Edge. Shows the card on there, we can open that up. So this looks like an 8-page flyer. It shows the workstation on the front with all the different colors that you can get, some of the adapters. Let's see what else we have. The ProLink Edge master kit with the case. We have master and starter kits, what's all involved, the different adapters. Software consolidation. Do we have part numbers on there? Yeah, they have the part numbers on there, so that's pretty cool. You can look at the different part numbers and figure out which one of these that you need. Cables, adapters, and accessories with all the part numbers on it. The Pocket IQ. And what do we got on the back page? The USB Link 2 vehicle interface. So that's up there, and then repair link through Mitchell. In your shop at your side. So bunch of cool things on that. I'll see if I can get a digital copy of this as well to post for you guys. Like I said, it's like 8 pages long, so that way you can read through it. Looks like we only got just a handful, maybe 10 of these, so dealers probably don't have enough to hand out to everybody. So I'll go ahead and put them through my scanner and then get them up on the Facebook and Instagram for you guys. 2 packages of the flyers. Looks like a van dangler for the same race jack. Tap into the power of orange. You'll be the envy with green. Our June DVD. Some more van danglers that go along with the flyer. And the 2-sided van sign. So we have the floor jack and toolboxes. And Torque Attack, the CT9100 18-volt brushless impact, and the CT9075. So your 3/4 drive and your 1/2-inch drive. Ask how to get yours today. I think I'm gonna put this one on the outside. Kind of like the lettering and stuff like that. It looks awesome. So let's take a peek at the flyer. June 2020, 100th anniversary Snap-on Hot Tools. There again, we have the CT9100, the CT9075 on the cover. Kind of matches up with our van sign. And there has more information. 3 power settings, precision manufacturing, 18-volt 5-amp-hour battery, variable speed trigger, brushless motor, larger hammer, 100-lumen headlight. All kinds of information on the 2 pages there. New product. Now we had these out before, but only in the steel handle. Now you can get them in the soft grip handle. 3/8 drive, dual 80 technology, soft grip, multi-position head ratchet. Available in red, green, or orange. Next one down, we have the 400 lumen slim light, 1/4-inch drive, long neck air ratchet. Check that out. Now I know the 1/4-inch drive long neck and even the 3/8 drive long neck cordless ratchet has just been a hit. So that's pretty cool because there's a lot of people that still use air tools. And then we have the 4-piece 12-point fractional flank drive double flex ratcheting box wrench set. Here's our deals. Get up $110 with trade on a 1/2-inch drive tech angle flex head torque wrench. This is the 300 foot-pound one. Get up to $80 trade in towards a 3/8 drive tech angle flex head torque wrench. So that one goes up to 100 foot-pounds. And then we have the strength and reach you need to go deep. 12-piece 3/8 drive 6-point metric flank drive deep sockets, or a 10-piece 1/2-inch drive 6-point metric deep flank drive sockets. Page 6. Trade up, snap-on performance. So we have the Monster Lithium brushless cordless impact. You get 1 battery, get up $75 trade-in on it. Get up to $100 on the one with 2 batteries, or get up to $125 on the 1/2-inch drive air impact, the PT850 GM. So we have a red one and then a couple gunmetal gray one. Down below, one tremendous twofer deal. So you buy the 1/2-inch drive 6-point standards, SAEs, you get the 15-piece 6-point metrics for free. Buy the SAE, get the metrics free. Here they have it again. Got a great idea? Go ahead and fill out the form. You can get up to $3,000 plus the product if they use your idea. Pretty easy to fill it out. Put your information, a little drawing on there, send it on in. They even pay the postage on it. Time for a Blue Point kit. Check this out, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of these different sets on here from Blue Point, all on deal. And you can go ahead and we'll just scroll through so that you can see. Get them ready, give them sets. Save on great hand tool sets to complete any collection. A lot of different sets. That 100-piece set at the bottom, or the 155-piece set, those are probably some of the most popular ones that I have. Also the 87-piece Hex Torx drive set, that's also a huge seller on the truck. Page 8, holy man, we have a ton. Complete your 3/8 drive collection, and there are a ton of different 3/8 ratchets and breaker bars on there. All on deals, all on special pricing. So get with your dealer. We only get so many of each one, so if there's one that you're looking for in particular, get with your dealer, let them know which one you're looking for. And that way, if they have it, they can set it aside for you. But yeah, there is a ton of different ones on this page. Holy cow. Get a move on and save. Red, white, and blue. 32-inch 3-drawer roll cart. These are the snap-on ones. Usually $12.25, now $11.02.50. Like I said, your choice of color, red, white, or blue. And then on the bottom, we have the Blue Point roll carts. Now, these are the 5-drawer roll carts. New self-closing drawer retention system. Heavy-duty push handle on them. Normally $12.95, $11.65.50. Once again, your choice of colors, red, white, or blue. Starting to get into that July or 4th of July theme here. Page 10, everyday essentials to put you on top. So we have the enhanced digital multimeter, multi-probe ultra, the 3 to 24 volt DC cord-free circuit tester, heavy duty creeper, water activated hand cleaner, and the 18-piece battery and electrical circuit test lead. And then on the very bottom of that, it says heavily into heavy duty. We have the deals on the ProLink Edge scan tools. Taking trades, it says. Taking trade. Next, on page 11, take your performance to new heights. JCW TSC, the Topside work platform. There's a little QR code there, so you can scan that with your phone and watch a little video. And then down below, we have the software for that ProLink. So it's got some of the stuff like the other flyer that we talked about earlier. And then finally, on the back page, we have, there'll be the Envy with green, so they decided to showcase the green stuff on here, although it is available in orange as well. So we have the 68-inch 10-drawer Epic, the KETN 682 COPWT Epic, along with the FJ175 GRN for green. That, my friends, is your June 2020 Hot Tools flyer and marketing kit. I appreciate you spending some time with me this evening, and I will see you guys next time.